This video will walk you through opening, canceling, and closing Worldox. In order to save and search for documents in Worldox, you must have Worldox open. There are two shortcuts for Worldox, depending on the deployment method you've chosen. The first is for Worldox Cloud, and the shortcut looks like this. The second is for Worldox Professional, and the shortcut looks like this. To open Worldox, double-click on the appropriate shortcut. This will open the application. You can tell that the Worldox application is running because it's in the taskbar. You can also see the Worldox icon in the system tray by the clock, and you can see the work zone icon here on your desktop. We've now successfully opened Worldox. Now we'll discuss how to cancel Worldox. For example, if you have a document that does not belong in Worldox and go to save that document, Worldox is going to automatically pop open a Worldox profile card. To save the document elsewhere, you can choose the Save Outside of Worldox button on the upper right-hand side of this dialog. This will remove the profile card and open your Windows Explorer. You can then save the document wherever you'd like. Worldox also pops with an Open dialog to select the file you want to open. When the Open dialog pops open, you can right-click and choose to cancel Worldox. Again, this will get Worldox out of the way, and you can open a document from any location on your network. Finally, we'll discuss how to close Worldox. For example, maybe you're working on documents that don't belong in Worldox all day, or you just want to close it before you leave for the evening. To close Worldox, navigate to the system tray by the clock and find the Worldox icon. Right-click on the icon and choose to close Worldox. This will close the application. You have now learned how to open, cancel, and close Worldox.